Right to repair is a mentality that makes people believe that products should be easy to repair without having to go through the manufacturer to do the repairs. This is Tech 101 and we are breaking down right to repair. What is right to repair? Right to repair refers to the government legislation that is being brought in, which will allow consumers the ability to repair or modify their own tech in a way that was previously only able to be done by the manufacturer themselves. This means that if, for example, your iPhone screen breaks, instead of having to go to Apple to get it fixed, in this hypothetical situation, you would go to a third-party shop. And this third-party shop would have access to all the tools, repair documentations, and they have access to all parts they need official from the manufacturer to carry out these repairs. How does this affect you? Well, it's quite simple. Right to repair will affect you in such a way that you will be able to get your device, and if something breaks, for example, if the camera module breaks, if the back glass needs replacing, if the screen needs replacing, if the headphone jack needs replacing, if the speakers need replacing, whatever parts it is, instead of having to go straight to the manufacturer, Apple in this case, who is being singled out in this case for their shoddy third-party repair policies, you would go to this third-party shop. This third-party shop would have access to all the repair documentation, access to the supply chain without having to gain AASP certification, Apple authorized certification, and they'd have access to all the support they need from Apple to carry out this repair. Warranties would not be voided by this, and it would mean that your device could keep on living for years to come. For example, an iPhone 10 that has burn-in on the display. This iPhone 10, it can still work. However, there's the burn-in aspect. If I go to a third-party repair shop, they might charge me €90 to get the screen replaced instead of Apple's $330. However, this will mean my warranty is going to be voided. This third-party shop does not have access to all the repair documentation and all the repair parts and tools that Apple authorized certification status people have. So with right to repair, this would mean they get access to all that documentation. They get access to all the repair parts from the direct supply chain. It would give independent shops a boost instead of having to go straight to Apple. Now let's take the environmental aspect. How does this affect the environment? Well, Apple is a very environmentally focused company, and Apple wants to get you to use the device for as long as possible. Obviously, that's why they support iOS for so long. That's why it's so optimized with the A series chips. However, by not enabling right to repair, you are taking away the environmental aspect of this. You are taking away the options for consumers to reduce, reuse, or recycle. Apple has their recycling program. However, wouldn't it be better if they could reduce the amount of waste going into the landfill by allowing you to switch out the battery, allowing you to switch the screen, the camera modules, all that, allowing authorized shops to have access to your supply chain is the key metric in allowing right to repair to flourish. Right to repair is crucial to all tech, not just Apple products. Samsung have it on their store. Anyone can go onto their store and purchase a replacement battery for a phone that came out in 2017. And the whole mentality of right to repair means we're reducing the amount of phones going to the landfill. You're not being forced to upgrade your old tech for the sake of the screen not functioning anymore, or the battery stops working, or the logic board stops working. You can get those parts third party, but they will not be to the same standard a lot of the time as Apple authorized parts. So think about that. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, or join the Discord. Linked as always in the video description. My name is Conor, and I'll catch you next.